watch me do a beauty maintenance that I figured out it was a mistake and I won't do it again. Lied about that part. I had to do it a second time before I could decide that I wasn't going to do it again. So yeah, I'm cleaning my face with a cleanser, an alcohol-based cleanser. So I had a cut on my finger and it stung. It was stinging. English. So yes, I'm just cleaning my face and I went in with baby oil to prepare my I believe the baby oil made my face less irritated because the procedure alone, this maintenance procedure alone, is enough to make your skin irritated. And if you have sensitive skin, you also need to like apply this baby oil to make it less irritated. I then prepared a cotton pad to make the procedure an aseptic method. The microbiologist in me would not do a procedure as sensitive as this without cleaning. So yes, after shaving for a while, I'll clean the blade just to sterilize the blade and make it more safe. Method is a way to exfoliate your skin. So I think I'll just stick to the probably sugar scrubbing or salt scrubbing or just any facial scrub other than this, like any other way of exfoliation other than this, because I don't know, I think it was too harsh on my skin, so I wouldn't be doing that again. But just watch and enjoy the process. I thought I was doing my skin good. My skin is still recovering from this process because exfoliating your skin, this would predispose your skin to bacterial infections, fungal infections, and even some viral infections. Although this isn't to scare you, but if it's done the proper way, it also has a lot of advantages. Of course, when you apply products, especially skincare products, your skin will accept it. It will penetrate better, it will work better. When you apply makeup, it will sit well on your skin. So those are the benefits of exfoliation. So you still need to do this one way or the other, because yes, if you don't know, there are builds up on your skin, there are germs and all sorts on your skin that you need to like deep clean. You need to cleanse deeply. I hope you get. I would advise that this process should be done more professionally so that you get the best results, because except you know how to do it professionally, that's when it would be best for you to do it yourself, because there are some angles on your face that you would need someone else to like do for you. I shaved my hair in that part, so here I was just going over the second half of my face and just doing it as I would do it. So yeah, I'm shaving my mustache, yes, and my chin, and yes, don't forget your neck. My neck has not recovered. I repeat, it has not recovered. So yeah, so I believe we are closer to the moment of truth. The main reason why I did this procedure was that I was starting my skincare journey and I wanted the product to work well for me. So I believe exfoliating my skin would make that happen for me. So yeah, the moment of truth. I don't know if it's supposed to sting. I don't know if it's supposed to like be peppery, be that part of my face, this part of my face I just showed, it was stinging. I remember clenching my teeth together, like it was hurting. It hurt so bad then. So yes, I cleaned it, just to make it, a clean surface, just to make my face a clean surface. I cleaned my face for the next step that I was about to take. So I was okay in this part of my face that I was cleaning, and then this part I'm cleaning it was hurting so bad. Yes, it was hot. It was, it was alcohol-based cleanser I was using. So yeah, it made that procedure. It made me regret my decision to shave my face. But trust your girl to maintain steeze and composure. 100. You can't tell in the video that I was hurting. But then I continued cleaning my face. Then I cleaned my neck, and then went to the next step that you would see very soon. So this whole step was just to prepare my face, to prepare my skin for all the goodness I was about to bring to her. This next step is my favorite among my skincare routine. I love using face masks. It just makes my face hydrated, and all the goodness it gives, the serum, every step. I love it. I love how it makes me feel. I just feel like I'm doing so much for my skin, for myself. If I'm feeling down, just give me face masks, just give me skincare products, and give me things that will pamper me Just give me ways to pamper me. I beg. Please, if I've been proving to be a hard girl, I beg. I've been living a fake life. I've been living a fake life. My true identity is soft living, soft life, soft life. Because I'm a princess. You know the song that says, "The way you pamper me, standing you, boosting my energy." I don't know if I sang that right, but then these face masks in general, they are just an affordable way to achieve the skincare goals that I've set for myself. I want hydration, I want brightening, I want, all that goodness. So getting mask helps me achieve that goal without having to spend so much, because if I'm to get a bottle of let's say brightening serum or hydrating serum, I don't know how much that will cost, but then I will have so much. But then I have diversity when I'm doing skincare with like facial mask. So at this part I was clumsy enough to get the liquid into my eyes. That's why my eyes were closed. So yeah, I had cleaned my eyes off camera. So these are the masks I got. I got a rose essence and a vitamin C. This is the one I used, so this is the one I still have that I will use some other time. So the face mask stayed over 25 minutes on my face. So as you can see, those edges are dried. So yeah, just aesthetically pleasing to the eyes. So don't forget to apply it on your lips. I do. I don't know if it's okay, but of course, don't judge me. I do. Everything my face is getting, my lips should also get. So yes, my neck. Yes, don't forget to share the goodness to your neck area and your chest also. So yeah, if you have anything I can use for my fingers, for my knuckles, I have dark knuckles and it's something I'm trying to get rid of. Those are one of the mistakes I've made earlier on that I want to fix. So yes, if you have an idea how I can get rid of that, you can comment down below or DM me of the what I can do. Overall, I love my skin.